It wasn't that long ago that before you left on your trip, you made sure that all the details of that trip were taken care of before you left home. But it doesn't have to be that way anymore. With the hundreds of apps that are available for you to download and have on your phone and make that information readily available to you before and during your trip. So today what I want to do is go over 8 of the applications that I have on my phone and I use when I'm traveling. Coming up. Hello and welcome back to Your Travel with Olivia. I am Olivia and this channel is here to bring you news and advice on traveling smart, safe, and also with confidence. So let's get into it. The very first app we're going to talk about is the SOS app. I love this application mainly because, of course, this is a channel about traveling smart and safe. And the first thing you want to do is always make sure that you have those emergency numbers readily available to you before you leave home. However, now with this application, depending on where you're going, it will locate your area that you're in and it will give you those emergency numbers based exactly where you are located. So for fire, ambulance, and police, those numbers will be available to you. There's a lot of great features that this SOS application has, and once you get it and you've downloaded it on your phone, go into each one of those sections and fill out the information as necessary, and you're going to love it. The second one is Skyscanner. I love this one because it tells me where the cheapest flights are, and also car rentals where I can get those as well. So I love having Skyscanner. The good thing also it has is a locator for any events that are maybe in the area that I'm going to. It will tell me what's going on at that time. So it's a great app as well to help navigate your trip. The Currency application is another good app to have as well so that you can do those conversions, those quick conversions. It has over 100 countries in there. Good idea is if you know the country you're going to, download that. Make sure that that's easily available to you, whichever country, euros, pounds, etc. And you can see what the conversion rate is. So the Currency app, must have. The next app that you probably already have on your phone is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is used worldwide now. It is free. It is available. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can access it and call anywhere. Call your friends, family, let them know that you've arrived safely, send texts and pictures, all of it done with this application. And like I said, it's free and it's perfect. So WhatsApp, make sure you have that on your phone. Another app that you want to have, depending on again where you're going, is Google Translate. This is a great application to help navigate you through those language barriers that you may come across. It could scan a menu for you so that it can interpret that for you. If you are stuck on road signs and that, you can text that in just to see the translation. It's a great app to have on your phone. Another great app to have on your phone is Google Trips. This is great. You put in your location, you put in the activities that you want to do, and it will create an itinerary for you. If you like museums, it will give you the museums that are in the area. If you like artwork, whatever your interests are, Google Trips will help plan that day for you. PackPoint. I love this app. I mean, who came up with this? It's genius. It's absolutely genius. What you do is you put in where it is that you're going, how long will you be going for, and what activities will you be doing while you're on this trip. It tells you exactly how many socks, how many shirts, how many pants, how many shoes that you need so that you don't overpack, and any of the toiletries that you will need as well. Check, check, check. Just go down the list and make sure that you've got all those items in, and you should be prepared and packed for that specific trip that you're going on. Love it. PackPoint. Definitely get that application, download that, put that on your phone and or tablet and have that available for your next trip. TripAdvisor, the next app that you want to put on your phone. Most of us are used to TripAdvisor. It is our go-to website when we're looking up the reviews of a place that we want to visit, any hotels that we want to stay at. So we're used to using it for those reasons. But did you know that the application has another great feature, which is called the nearby feature? So wherever you are and you want to find out where are the restaurants nearby to exactly where you're located, or a specific type of food that you want to eat. I feel like eating Armenian food. Are there any Armenian restaurants in the area according to where I am right now, and how far is it? TripAdvisor, once you have that app on your phone, it will help to navigate you to the closest restaurant, things to do, or hotel in the area of exactly where it is that you're located. Another app that I think that everyone should have on their phone is either the Uber or Lyft. Just have that available to you. Not everybody uses it. I hardly use any one of those services. However, I do have it on my phone because every so often you can be stuck in a place where it's the ideal thing to do is to just call an Uber. And so have that available, because you do have to set up your account, and that it's a little bit easier to do if you're at home and you've already done that and you've gotten used to how to use it, as opposed to being in that actual situation where I need Uber now. So now you have to set up the account and everything. So those are the kind of apps that I think that can definitely save you a lot of heartache, frustration, and time. As I mentioned, there are hundreds of travel apps that we can download and put on our phone. I've just brought 8 of those to you, the ones that I use. But if you have any apps that you know about and would love to share that in this community, please go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. The more we share, the more we care, right? So I look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget, if this is your first time here at this channel, you have gotten the first taste as to what kind of information I bring. Take a look at some of the other videos here and you have an idea as to what it is and the information that we bring here every single week. And then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then the bell notification so that you too can be informed as to the next time that I've uploaded a video for you. Always a pleasure talking to you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. And remember, if you are traveling, make sure that you travel safe and smart. Bye for now. Adios. Ciao.